Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about the 5 off $25 DG store coupon for this Saturday, May the 7th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so this video is just going to be a quick little chit chat video. I wanted to do it this way versus a community post or something like that. That way I could kind of explain things a little bit better. I know that a lot of y'all have questions. I've received your emails. I've saw the comments. So basically, whenever I posted the new coupons video on Sunday, a lot of you all noticed that, hey, we didn't have a 5 off $25 coupon. I did not have a 5 off $25 coupon on my account, as you guys can see in that video. And normally I wouldn't worry about it because typically if it's not there on Sunday, it'll be there on Monday or Tuesday. Well, today I was checking my account again to see if I had it on there, and it still wasn't on there. And again, I've saw that a couple of you guys have emailed me. I've saw in the comments, people are asking questions about it. So I decided to go ahead and call corporate and ask them what in the world was going on. So I did end up calling Dollar General corporate today, and just to ask what's going on. What's the deal? Are you guys taking away the 5 off 25? Are there changes happening that we need to be aware of? What is the deal? So basically, after they put me on hold a couple of times, I got transferred through 2 or 3 different people. The nice young lady that I did end up speaking to, she told me that this is basically just a technical issue. They are working on the 5 off $25 coupon specifically and getting that out to all of the different accounts, okay? So she assured me that by Saturday, everybody should have a 5 off $25 coupon on your account to clip. Now, we all know how Dollar General can be. They can be sneaky, they can be tricky, and they can make promises that they don't keep. Even as far as going to change the ad in the app on us, okay? So at the beginning of the week, if you opened up the weekly ad, there was a 5 off $25 little section right there where you could click add coupon and add it to your account. By Tuesday, that link was no longer working, and today it has been completely removed. So hopefully this is just a technical issue, but again, don't hold your breath. And if I were you guys, if you do not have a 5 off $25 coupon on your account by Friday, I would run into DG. If you plan on doing some Saturday scenarios this week, I would go into DG, buy a pack of gum, buy a drink of water, get a tube of toothpaste, whatever you want to get, grab something, go up to the register, and that way you'll have the 5 off $25 receipt coupon, and it'll be on the bottom of your receipt. You can cut that off and you can use that for your Saturday scenarios. Now, there's a couple of things that you guys can do to be on the lookout for this 5 off $25 coupon. Of course, the first thing is to keep checking your DG app. The other thing that you can do is sign in on the Dollar General website and check your coupons through the website. A lot of times the digital coupons will show up on the website first, and then they'll add them to the DG app later. So if you don't see it on your DG app, go and check the website and sign in through there, okay? I always sign in on the website on Sundays to clip my digital coupons there because they always show up on the website first and they all show up all at once. So sign into the website, check your coupons there. The third thing that you can do is to check your email that is associated with your DG account, okay? Now, I do have a couple of accounts. I did have one email out of a couple of accounts. I had one email from Dollar General, and that is, and in that email was the picture that is on your screen right here. And of course, it says 5 off 25, add coupon. And I was able to click add coupon, and it took me directly to my account. It automatically signed me in, and it added that coupon to my account on their website. So there's 3 ways. Check your DG app, sign in on the website, and also be checking your email. Now, again, if you don't have a 5 off $25 coupon by Friday, I would run into DG, pick up a 35-cent pack of gum, pay for it, and then at least you will have a 5 off $25 paper coupon that you can use for our Saturday scenarios, okay? And it'll work just the same as your digital 5 off $25 coupon, and we'll kind of go over that in the Friday video as well, just in case there's still some of y'all out there who don't get this coupon on your account. So I guess the only thing that we can do is just wait and see what happens. Hopefully DG will have this fixed by Saturday. Again, the lady that I was on the phone with told me that this was a technical issue and that DG was working on it, and she assured me that this would be fixed by Saturday, but we will just have to wait and see. Again, I am in the same boat as a lot of you all are. I only have one digital 5 off $25 coupon on one account. And the only reason why I have that one 5 off $25 digital coupon is because I just happened to spot that email. Now, you guys need to check your promotions folder and your spam mail, because we all know how things can get lost in our emails. Okay, so check those folders as well. And if I can figure out how to pull this link from this email and get it to everybody, I will definitely do that. But it's one of the links that kind of automatically sign you in to your account, and I don't need everybody signing into my account, okay? That's not going to do anybody any good. But if I can figure out how to do that, I will definitely make a post about it or put it in the next video and share that link with you all, okay? Now, let's go ahead and talk about the second thing that I found while I was looking for my 5 off $25 coupon. So while I was looking everywhere for my 5 off $25 coupon, I kind of feel like I've been on a wild Easter egg hunt this morning or something. But while I was looking, I went into the DG app, I clicked on the wallet, and then I clicked on just for you. And as you can see right here, it says 0 just for you. But once you click on it, it'll say 1 just for you available. Click on explore all. And here is what popped up under this category. So as y'all can see, it has saved $10 on your purchase of $60 or more. Guys, OMG, what is going on? So this is a Saturday only coupon as well. Now, whenever I saw this, I thought, OMG, what is going on? Has Walgreens and DG now tag teamed up against me? What is going on? Because I know some of you all will get the joke, but Walgreens, you guys know, most of the time my spin boosters at Walgreens are like spin 60, spin 65, and I'm like, no thank you, Walgreens, you can keep it. But I don't mean to sound ungrateful, y'all. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm grateful for every coupon that we receive, no matter what the value is. As long as we're saving money, that's the goal. But I'm just not going to go into Dollar General and spend $60, and I'm not going to do that at Walgreens either. So anyways, I just thought it was kind of funny that this was a spend 60 DG store coupon. But here's the thing. When I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, they're going to change the 5 off 25 and they're going to start giving us all different values. So when I called and I spoke to customer service, I asked her, I said, is this going to be the new 5 off 25? Are you guys changing it up? What's happening? And she said, no, that this was just a just for you coupon. Now, I did receive the same coupon on several accounts, and she said that different accounts would get different values, but that all accounts should still receive the regular 5 off 25 for Saturday. So, guys, don't freak out. Don't get scared. This is just kind of like, remember when we got the 3 off 15 coupons? This is kind of the same thing. This is just an extra coupon that Dollar General is giving us, and it is for Saturday only. So, it's just kind of an extra 5 off 25, but it's a spend 60, save 10. So, so it's just an extra coupon. You can use it or lose it, however you want to do it. Now, I do apologize. I have not been able to answer emails and comments this week yet, but I have been reading through y'all's comments, and I did notice that another crazy couponer left a comment saying that she had like a spend 35, if I'm remembering correctly, and I did see another comment that said that theirs was for like all week long. You guys be very, very careful about reading the entire coupon, because I know that they can be confusing, especially when it says on your next purchase. look at those coupons, open up the details and read those fine prints, and then also look at the picture, because had I not looked at the picture on this save $10 when you spend 60 coupon, I wouldn't have noticed that it says Saturday only right up there at the top. Alright guys, so I think that's about it. Again, check your DG app, check the website, check your email, and then also please check your wallet, and let me know if you guys received any Just For You coupons. Come back and let me know in the comment section below what the value is. Does it say Saturday only on your coupon, or is it for all week? Again, the picture that you guys are seeing on your screen right here, if you look in that black box right up there at the top, it says Saturday only, and I know it's blurry, but that is exactly how it looks like in my app. I had to kind of blow it up, screenshot it, and squint really hard to see that it said Saturday only, but that's sure enough what it says. So you guys come back, check your DG accounts, come back in the comment section and let me know what y'all are finding, because the more information that we can share with each other, the quicker we can figure things out, and the better off we'll all be for it, okay? So you guys know I appreciate y'all so much. I apologize that this video was kind of uneventful, but I just had to get all of this out, all this info out to you all and let you guys know what I know. Now, before y'all go, I do want to remind y'all that I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video earlier today, so if you missed that, definitely go and check it out. I know on Sunday I said that I would probably do a 2-part Good Deals and Glitch List video this week. I decided to just go ahead and put it all in one, so it is like a 20-minute video, but I promise y'all it is worth it. It is jam-packed full of deals, and we have a humongous glitch list this week. So literally like the last 6-7 minutes of the video, nothing but glitches. So definitely go and check it out. I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, and as always, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button. It is a quick way, an easy way, and it makes a huge difference in how my videos perform on YouTube. So please hit that thumbs up button for me. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's going on in your neck of the woods this week, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.